Hello everybody, thank you for joining me for another episode of Lock Sport High. I'm the High Lock Sporter coming at you from Big Island, Hawaii. Please excuse the rain and the cookie frogs in the background as usual. I only have time to make these videos at night and the family is sleeping, so we're gonna normally get rain, and at night is when the cookie frogs come out. So I'm sure a lot of you that are in this community, if you're watching my videos, you probably watched Mr. Sandman's videos, and you might be aware he was recently doing a challenge for this Brinks 662. I believe, yes, it's a Brinks 662 10,000 pounds. Well, I did attempt it, and same thing with my issue with locks being camera shy. Apparently I was challenge shy, because this is a lock that I had previously, and I was able to pick this quite successfully and thought that I could use this tactic ability on that lock, but it didn't quite work out like that. So we're actually going to go with the Dangerfields. It's a 47,000. It's the Dangerfield number 4. It comes just under 50,000, so it just fits in this perfectly. And then we're going to go with this 20,000 covert instruments. And so we're going to start on number 1. There's nothing. 2. No. 4. So we're going to go back to 2. Okay, got something on 2. Now we got 4. 3. 3 is a binder. We'll click out 3. I'm going to go back to 4, 3, 2, 1. No, let's reset. Okay, we'll start off. I always have better luck when I go from the back. There are 4, 3, little click, now 2, 1. Go back to 3, another click. I think I'm getting some counter rotation. There we go. Well, just like I got challenge shy, I guess I'm getting camera shy again. There we go. Now we're in a false set. Number 1, getting some counter rotation. Okay. No, that was good. Number 2. 3, we're getting some more counter rotation, and we're open. So, I don't know how long that took. You can look back, maybe about a minute. And that was a long one for me, because I've been able to open this in about 20 or 30 seconds before. The recent winner seen opened in about 15 seconds. Wow, congrats to you, my friend. That is awesome. And then here was this failed attempt. This one did me wrong because I did not really pay attention to the key, and I attempted to go recording off the bat with top of the keyway, and I needed to attack this particular lock bidding with bottom of the keyway because that first pin is such a high set first pin. So I'm not even going to attempt going top of the keyway on this one. I'm gonna go with the bottom of the keyway, and then we're gonna try the 20,000s short hook again. So come to the back, start at the back. Number 4 was a click, 3 was another click. We're in a false set, and 2, some counter rotation. Oh, I think I may have overset. No. We're almost there. 1. There it goes. There's a deep set. And then nothing on 2. I think we got, sorry, the angle. Something on 3. No. No. 4, 3, 2, 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. Go back to 2. Which one is it? There we go. It was number 2. But that first one on the video, trying to do Mr. Sandman's challenge, not taking note of the high set first pin. Look at that. This is like a highest cut you can get. Yeah, top of the keyway bit me in the ass on that one and lost my potential. Not like my time would have got it. Those 2 times weren't any better anyways, but just because I have gotten good times in the past doesn't mean when I need to, I will. But anyways, thanks for joining me again on Lock Sport Eye. Aloha.